see it pretty easily. The showers will be on and off. There's one more wave coming in for the early to mid part of the afternoon, and so be aware of that. Flood watches for central New Jersey. Right now we also have the coastal flood advisory. It's for high tides throughout the early part of the day. About noon, the end of the high tide concern is out of here, and we'll start to see the waters sort of settle. Looking at the visibility, it is pretty foggy out there. So even if you're going out and the rain starts to let up a bit, you're going to have these low-lying patchy fog banks, and you want to be aware of that. Now, getting into the afternoon, we'll see the clouds lingering. We won't see any clearing until tomorrow. A lot of water to get rid of. But as soon as those winds start late tonight into early tomorrow, the streets will dry up very quickly. So about 3, 4 o'clock is when we'll see the end of this. Until then, the AccuWeather planning forecast for the next 7 hours shows a chance of rain really at any point. Temperatures will be in the low 50s, as I said, dropping off into the 40s as we get into the late afternoon. Here's the Futurecast rainfall amounts. You can see just about 1/4 of an inch left for areas city westward, but we can get another 1/2 inch of rainfall for parts of eastern Long Island. So still some real heavy downpours for both Nassau and Suffolk County, so be aware of that. By 3, 4 o'clock, that last wave comes through. 8 p.m., the showers shut off, and we start to dry out as the winds pick up overnight, and gusty winds are expected right through Sunday. Match that with temperatures in the 40s, and it's going to feel a lot different tomorrow. Very chilly and uncomfortably cold as we get into Monday, and temperatures are just in the upper 30s. So this afternoon, 57 degrees. Then our temperatures slide back off into the 40s tomorrow. Clouds and sunshine expected, so at least the skies brighten up tomorrow. And then on Monday, we're looking at some flurries and flakes around, mainly for the second half of the day, but the chill, wow, 37 degrees with a little bit of wind is going to make it feel like almost a freezing point for much of the day. And then we see a few snow flurries flying around. Doesn't look like a huge storm, but definitely could be slick at times. There could be an icy mix into Tuesday as well. So lots to watch out for the early part of the work week.
Yeah, and this morning, you know, when I drive in, it's really dark outside, so I'm not a dangerous driver. It's just that you can't see the puddles at night.
That's a great point. It's a great point, Tony. You really have to have a heads up this morning.
Yeah, no, I saw several on the interstate as well. Yeah, got to be careful.
All right. Thank you, Amy.
Yeah. Before we head to break, we do want to share our latest piece from Localish, where we find the good things happening right here and in cities across America.
So the young